In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invitation to a scheduled Zoom meeting via Gmail. Whether you're organizing a virtual meeting for work or a gathering with friends, knowing how to efficiently send out invites is crucial. So let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. First, you want to make sure you already have a Zoom meeting scheduled. If you haven't done this yet, open your Zoom application or go to the Zoom website and schedule your meeting. Once that's all set, we can proceed with sending out the invitation. Next, open your browser and head over to Gmail by entering mail.google.com in your address bar. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to send the invitation from. If you've entered the site and you're not logged in, simply enter your credentials on the login page. Now that we're logged into Gmail, you'll want to click on the Compose button to start a new email. This button is usually located on the top left of your Gmail interface, just below the Gmail logo. Upon clicking it, a new window will appear, allowing us to draft our invitation email. In this blank email, we need to fill in a few fields. Start by entering the email addresses of the recipients in the To field. Separate each email address with a comma if you're inviting more than one person. If you've got a large group to invite and want to keep recipients' emails private, consider using the BCC field instead. Next, we need to add a subject line. It's always a good idea to make this descriptive yet concise, so it's clear what the email is about even before it's opened. Something like Zoom meeting invitation, followed by the purpose of the meeting, is both straightforward and informative. Now, it's time to copy the Zoom meeting details into the body of the email. This information would have been provided to you after scheduling the meeting. Usually, this includes the meeting ID, passcode if there is one, and the direct link to join the meeting. Paste that information in and make sure it's presented in a clear and organized manner. Before hitting send, let's add a brief message. Be courteous and include some welcoming words. Mention the date and time of the meeting to remind your invitees and highlight any necessary preparations they might need to make beforehand. Finally, double-check your email for any errors in the addresses or the meeting details. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Send. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to send out a Zoom meeting invitation using Gmail. I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.